Hello, we are up at Darby High School from Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, and this is our video synopsis of our research titled Thermal Inertia Mapping to Determine Location of Lunar Lava Tubes. Lava tubes are formed by lava flow carving through a surface and cooling and hardening on the top, forming a hollow tube. Lunar lava tubes are usually found on mare regions that can be identified by their sinuous structure and collapsed sections.
We chose to research lunar lava tubes because they hold potential as future bases that can serve as a buffer for astronauts from dangerous lunar environments. Here's a map showing the 4 lava tube candidates we looked at, labeled by Cassandra Coombs as C, N, L, and R. In order to identify these lava tubes, we simulated thermal inertia maps using temperature data from the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter's Diviner instrument.
Thermal inertia is the tendency for a material to conduct and store heat. We approximated thermal inertia maps using Golden Software's Contour and Surface Imaging Program, SURFER, in order to generate day and nighttime temperature grids, which we then subtracted from each other in order to create thermal inertia maps. From there, we located areas with the least temperature difference between day and night, which would have a higher thermal inertia and thus indicate the possible presence of a lava tube.
These simulated thermal inertia maps provide an alternative perspective for locating lunar lava tubes based on temperature differences between the lava tubes and their surrounding environment. We compared the thermal inertia maps to visible surface images from the LROC wide-angle camera to analyze the accuracy of our method.
Thermal inertia mapping allowed us to verify that 3 of the 4 lava tube candidates were identified in the thermal inertia maps. Here is lava tube N, R, and L. Only a segment of lava tube C could be confirmed, potentially due to the collapsed segments inhibiting thermal insulation, or due to the thin width of the tube not detected by the resolution of the diviner data. Based on our results, we can conclude that thermal inertia mapping serves as a promising alternative method to identify the locations of lunar lava tubes. We hope we could use this method to find lava tubes which have not been previously identified.